kindergarten friends and families. I'm Miss Arbuckle and I'm going to be working with Miss Coletta for the next few weeks on your math activities. Today we're going to continue to work on decomposing numbers and finding related facts. Remember that yesterday Miss Coletta told you that when we decompose, it's when we take a whole number and break it apart to get two separate parts. Today, we're going to work with some related facts. So first we're going to watch the video and then we'll talk a little bit more about it.
Three penguins play on the ice. Two penguins swim to join them. What kind of story is this? An addition or a subtraction story? Why?
I'm going to do the math.
So what do you think? Are we adding or are we subtracting? I think that we're adding because we already had three penguins and then two more came to join in, which makes it a bigger number, which means we are adding.
It's an addition story. The penguins are added together. Why do the two yellow cubes have a circle and an arrow pointing toward the three blue cubes? They show the two penguins joining the three penguins on the ice. Look at how the addition equation matches the cubes. It shows 3 cubes plus 2 cubes equals 5 cubes. 5 penguins play on the ice. 5 penguins play on the ice. 2 penguins jump off the ice and swim away. What kind of story is this? An addition or a subtraction story? Why? It is a subtraction story. The 2 penguins are leaving. Why do the 2 yellow cubes have an arrow pointing away from the blue cubes? They show the 2 penguins leaving. How does the equation match the cubes? It shows 5 cubes minus 2 cubes equals 3 cubes. 5 penguins were on the ice. 2 penguins swam away. 3 penguins are now on the ice. Look at both equations. How are they the same? Both equations use the same numbers. Equations like this that use the same numbers are called related facts.
Okay, so let's try a couple on our own. So Miss Arbuckle has sets of cubes here, and I'm going to use the penguins that we talked about in our stories. So if Miss Arbuckle had 3 penguins, and then I had 2 more penguins come and join to play, I have 5 penguins all together, which means that when I write the equation, I'm going to say 3 plus 2 equals 5. And just like what we saw on the video, we saw the arrow going towards the original amount to join or add. But if I want to have them go away, I might say I'm going to have 5 penguins and I'm going to have 2 of them go away and I am left with only 3. So the related fact for that problem is 5 minus 2 equals 3. And we can see that they are a related fact because we have all 3 numbers together in the equation. Let's try one more together. If Miss Arbuckle had 2 penguins and 3 more came to play, I'm going to join them together and add. But if I have 5 penguins and let's say 3 swim away, I'm left with 2. So if I write that problem, it's going to look like 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 5 minus 3 equals 2. So let's practice one together. Okay, so I'm going to read you the story.
Tell them what page.
Oh, you need to be on page 441. It's going to look like this. We're going to see the little penguins, and it's going to say lesson 8-2 up at the top. So listen to the story. It says 4 penguins play outside. 2 penguins go in the ice cave. How many penguins are left outside? And we're going to draw a circle around the equation that matches the story. So we see that there are 4 penguins playing outside, and then 2 penguins go in the ice cave.
Don't write on the board with that.
Sorry. Where's your pen? So these guys are going to go away. So they're leaving. So if we have 4 and 2 of them go away, how many are still left? We have 2 left. So this is the correct answer. Now, I